Follow these steps to remove two-step verification in Snapchat. Launch your Snapchat. Now, click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. Once you're in the profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Scroll down, navigate to the option Two-Factor Authentication. Now from this page, you are able to remove two-step verification in Snapchat. In case you have enabled text verification, toggle on for it. Or in case you have enabled authentication app, toggle off for it. You'll get this kind of pop-up. Are you sure you want to disable text verification or authentication app? Click on OK. With that, your two-step verification will be disabled for Snapchat. In some cases, you might be prompted to enter your Snapchat password for security purpose. After you type in that, it will be disabled completely. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.